Mufareh is a man on a mission. He is the CEO and founder of OnPassive, a company poised to revolutionize the digital landscape. His vision is clear: to empower businesses and entrepreneurs with the power of artificial intelligence. He sees a world where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. OnPassive is the culmination of this vision. It is more than just a company, it is a movement. Mufareh has often spoken about the limitations of traditional business models. OnPassive is his answer to these challenges. He saw the potential of AI to transform the way we work. With OnPassive, Mufareh is building more than just a business. He is building a legacy. Please do me a favor and subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. The OnPassive ecosystem is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. It is a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to streamline operations and accelerate growth. At its core, OnPassive leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automate tasks, analyze data, and optimize performance. One of the key aspects of the OnPassive ecosystem is its holistic approach. It is not a collection of disjointed tools, but a fully integrated system that works seamlessly together. This integration ensures that all aspects of your business are working in harmony. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about generating traffic, managing your marketing campaigns, or nurturing leads. OnPassive takes care of all of this for you, freeing up your time and resources to focus on what you do best: running your business. The OnPassive ecosystem is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly tools make it easy for anyone to get started. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, OnPassive has everything you need to succeed in the digital age. OnPassive is not just about big ideas, it's about tangible solutions. The platform boasts a suite of cutting-edge products, each meticulously designed to address specific business needs. These products are not just tools, they are AI-powered partners working tirelessly behind the scenes. Take OConnect, for instance. This revolutionary tool redefines communication and collaboration. Launched in April 2023, OConnect streamlines interactions, boosts productivity, and fosters stronger connections within teams and with clients. But OnPassive's innovation doesn't stop there. The company continues to develop and release new products and features at a rapid pace. These include AI-driven marketing automation tools, a proprietary social media platform, and a comprehensive digital system that integrates all aspects of your online presence. Each of these products is built on a foundation of artificial intelligence. This means they are constantly learning and evolving, becoming more intelligent and effective over time. With OnPassive, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in the future of your business. Section 4. The power of community, O-founders, and the future. At the heart of OnPassive lies a vibrant and passionate community, the O-founders. These individuals are more than just users. They are early adopters who believe in the power of the platform and its potential to transform businesses. O-founders are a diverse group of entrepreneurs, business owners, and individuals from all walks of life who share a common goal: to achieve success with OnPassive. They are united by their belief in the platform and their commitment to supporting each other's growth. This sense of community is one of the things that sets OnPassive apart. The company regularly hosts webinars and events where O-founders can connect with each other, share their experiences, and learn from industry experts. The OnPassive community is a powerful force for good, and it plays a vital role in the company's continued growth and success. As OnPassive continues to expand its global reach, the O-founder community will only become stronger and more influential. Section 5. Exclusive insights. Stay ahead of the curve with OnPassive. The OnPassive journey is dynamic, marked by constant evolution and innovation. May 2024 marked a significant milestone with groundbreaking products. These updates, often communicated through exclusive webinars, provide a competitive edge. Key figures like Dr. Bill Williams shape the company's direction. Mufareh's insights highlight the company's phenomenal growth. Immerse yourself in OnPassive to stay ahead of the curve. Visit the official website and engage with the community on social media. For more information about On Passive and Ash Mufareh, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.